Okay, so this is the Hoover Rewind Bagless Vacuum. And I'm going to show you some of its features and then let you see how it works. So it has a button right here that you push in and turn for low carpet, medium carpet, and high carpet. It also has a hardwood floor area down here. It has a, obviously, bagless filter, and it has a system check, which is pretty cool. So if there's anything wrong with it, this will turn red, and then you can look in your manual and see what you can do. It's got easy rinse, and it has that in the manual, how to rinse it off. Supposedly no loss of suction. Filter is really easy to take off. There's a release button right here. Just comes off just like that. Slides right back on in. You can easily do it one-handed. Has a small carpet or a stair attachment. It has a couple other attachments. And you attach those by this button right here. You push the button and the hose comes off, and you can use your attachments via your hose. It has an auto rewind on its cord, which I think is really nice, so you don't have to wind it up, and it stays inside here, so you don't have to have it hanging off the side or anything like that. There's the button that makes it go backwards and forwards. Let me show you that. You push it to lean it back. Here is another attachment, on-off button, and that is the button that you can conveniently use for your cord. Alright, that's pretty much it. Let's see how this works. Pretty nice. Feels nice and smooth. Picks things up well. Definitely picking up everything out of the carpet. So yeah, it clicks back in place. Show you there it is working right there. And the off button. Pretty nice. Seems to work well.